Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. A lot of good things happened since last time I updated you on the 240SX when I was doing the modified knuckles. We knew that my steering rack blew up and it was either I rebuild it or I send it up. So I send it up to Texas to Sparky Build. He built it for me. He painted the color I wanted, powder coated, and I think it looks great. So let's take a look at it.
They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.
So everything looks great quality. The paint, I try to match my roll cage and brakes. Is powder coated whatever color you decide to. You can see that they put that blue paint in there, so everything is already tied and torqued to whatever specs they are. I also buy the new braided lines, and they come with the new bellows. So pretty much the whole front end of the car is new now. The knuckles were modified. The lower control arms were extended. What else? I also buy new rack bushings. Oh, these O-rings right here. I put new ones just in case. Everything is already new, so might as well, even though they look good. But yeah, I put energy suspension bushings. I got new bellows, new inner tie rods, new outer tie rods. The adjustable tension rods from GK Tech. So it's gonna feel really good. I feel like it's gonna drive a lot better now.
They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.
Hey guys, so this is what happened out of nowhere, but yeah, Adam LC came to Georgia for Formula Drift, and he's an Audi son, pretty much giving love and support to all the fans. And I asked him to see if he can sign my dash. So you know what they say, you miss any shot you cannot take. So I take that shot, and he say yeah, for sure, once the line is done, he come and he sign it. So we'll see. Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Appreciate you.
So that's it for today, guys. I am super hyped up that I had the chance for Adam LZ to sign the dash on my S13. I've been watching him drifting since he started with his S13, and just that I have a S13 as well. I don't know. For me, it's a little bit wild. He was super cool about it. I asked him. I got his poster. I got some of the stickers that they sell, and yeah, he signed it, and so I'm gonna leave that in there forever or until I get rid of the car. Who knows? But yeah, that's it for today. I hope you like it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you around.